Thanks for clicking on the video, and please enjoy as we try out More Than Farmers, Michelle and Cody's awesome pickle recipe. I was watching one of their newest videos and they decided to share this great pickle recipe, and our nice cucumber garden back there in the canoe has turned out to give us lots of good cucumbers. I love making pickles, I love the taste of pickles, but now we're gonna give this recipe a try. It's cool seeing the activity in our pond. This is usually minnows starting out, or sometimes the turtles show up. I love that our kids can just go in the backyard, find some buckets, play in the mud, and have fun. Alright, bought a new pack of ball jars. Get ready to cut up the cucumbers. And since they're new, they should be good to go. We can trust like just companies that package our stuff, right?
The government in this town is excellent and uses your tax dollars efficiently.
Just kidding, just kidding. I'm getting them ready to sanitize real quick so we can get them ready for our yummy pickles. Now we're going to go ahead and get the first couple jars set up with cucumbers, but I do like to add some good mustard seed and some yummy dill. And yeah, see, my stuff still comes from the store. We're not quite there yet. Uh-oh. Not this again. Turning that down. That's a good sign that our sugar, that's remnants of the last sugar burn. Just gonna stuff these with the dill. Already got our mustard seed in there. And then top it off with this brine. Without burning myself. There's one little advantage to see the lip on the lid?
Yeah,
That
catch
little
it.
metal. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, milk. Not milk.
You want to send out?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna be listening for the pop. How do they look?
They look more like a jar of pickles from the store with that color. That's for sure.
All right, it's next day. Of course, I had to put one in the fridge because I gotta try it. I gotta see what these things taste like. I've never typically put that much sugar. I did do a little less than the recipe. Went down like half a cup, but she said in the video it was a good sour sweet, so I definitely want to dig in. Let's see what these things taste like. First, if I can get it into focus, yeah, you get that nice like yellow pickle. Definitely from the turmeric there. But let's try our first bite. Definitely sweet. A little sour, really good. A little like bread and butterish. I would call these like candy pickles. These would actually just be good for snacks. Good on a good sandwich. Really, really good. Yeah, that was a good pickle. But definitely check out More Than Farmers. They just put out great content. They do a great job of just explaining things way better than I do. We'll get there. But if you want to learn a little more about gardening, homesteading, anything like that, definitely check them out. If you're a novice and you're just trying to figure out the simple stuff in your backyard, hey, we'll be the dumb people to try it. We're getting ready to plant our stuff to get ready for a fall harvest, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned. But we made our own food, and if you want to check out how some of that turned out, we had a food ranking at our house on some of the stuff that we got out of the garden and made some pretty interesting stuff. All the kids did it. It was a lot of fun. But if nothing else, we'll see you in the next video, and thanks for checking out my dumb backyard.